Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing a super common iPhone frustration, how to fix the allow access to photos issue. You know, when an app asks for permission to access your photos, and for whatever reason, it just doesn't seem to work correctly. In this video, we'll walk you through several easy-to-follow solutions to get your photos accessible to the apps you want. We'll cover everything from simple permission checks to more advanced troubleshooting steps. By the end of this video, you'll be a photo access pro. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to Rome Tech for more helpful iPhone tips and tricks. It really helps us out. Okay, let's get started. Section 1. The basics, checking app permissions. Alright, the first thing we need to do is check the app's permissions. It sounds obvious, but sometimes the simplest solution is the best. 1. Go to Settings * on your iPhone. Open the Settings app. 2. Scroll to Privacy * scroll down until you find Privacy, and tap on it. 3. Select Photos * in the Privacy menu, tap on Photos. 4. Find the app *, you'll see a list of apps that have requested access to your photos. Find the app that's giving you trouble. 5. Check the permission *, here's the crucial part. You'll likely see a few options: Never, Selected Photos, or All Photos. Never *, this means the app is completely blocked from accessing your photos. If you want the app to access your photos, this is definitely the problem. Selected Photos *, this is a more granular permission. The app can only access specific photos you've explicitly granted access to. All Photos *, this grants the app full access to your entire photo library. Make sure the correct option is selected for the app's intended use. If you want the app to have full access, choose All Photos. If you prefer to limit access, choose Selected Photos, and then manually select the photos you want to share. Important note: if you've selected photos, make sure you've actually selected the photos. Sometimes people forget that last step. If the permission is set incorrectly, just tap the correct option and see if that solves the problem. If not, move on to the next step. Section 2. Restarting the app and your iPhone. Sometimes, a simple restart can do the trick. It's like a digital reboot for your phone and its apps. 1. Close the app *, completely close the app that's having trouble. Don't just minimize it, swipe it away from the app switcher. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and hold briefly, then swipe the app card up to close it. 2. Reopen the app * now. Reopen the app and see if it asks for photo access permission again. If it does, grant the appropriate permission. 3. Restart your iPhone *. If the app still isn't working, try restarting your iPhone. Press and hold the power button, and either volume button